or the majority of us agreed and voted on it. So I think the best is really to ask them one-on-one what probably their reservations or support was for it. But this is the Senate's version right now. And we agreed, we had a consensus.
So, nagbotohan, ma'am, sa...
Walang botohan. Parang, ano lang, o ano, wag na tayong, anong opinion mo, o ganyan. And then in the end, parang, okay na. Okay. I mean, di ba minsan, okay, you're passionate about something. But you realize also, you have to accommodate reason, and you also have to make compromises. Okay? So there are others, and I think it's better to hear it directly from them, who